We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hello my lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super awesome today. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. So today we are going to talk about Girl Friday skincare treats, and we are going to talk about this mask, and this is the Divine Elixir. This is from Skin Cosmetics. I've mentioned this before in one of my previous videos. If you were looking for skincare products where you would see your skin transformation, this is a product for you. So I've already washed my face, and that's it. And I'm just going to use my face towel, and I'm just going to pat my face a little bit. This is one of the best masks you'll ever use. And so this is the product here. It looked very, very clear when you look at it. So it also comes with a wand. So I'm just going to take a little bit out. Okay, you don't need much more of this. A little bit of this goes a long way. So I'm just going to put this in the back of my hands. And so now I'm just going to put this all over my face, and you're going to see what's going to happen next. As you massage this into your face, it turns white, and it almost feels like it's going to heat up on your face. It has this nice warming feeling. Okay, so we're just going to rub this all over. And we are going to leave this on for a few minutes. So I'm going all the way under my eyes as well. And over my eyes. Because most times, you know, people always say, avoid the eye area. But of course, I don't listen to what anybody says. Okay? So this is what the mask looks like when it's massaged all over my face. And this is not going to dry down to a really harsh mask on my skin, where my skin is going to feel like it's going to crack and be prickly and all of that. Listen, putting on a mask on camera is not sexy, okay? So I'm going to leave this on for about 5 minutes, and I'm going to come back to show you guys what it looks like when it's dry. This mask has all kinds of powerful nutrients, antioxidants, vitamin C, manuka honey, all the wonderful, beautiful ingredients that's going to benefit your skin. That's what you want in a mask. Not to put something on your face, peel it off, and all of a sudden your skin feels really dry. This is what you need if you're looking for skin transformation. I use this twice a month just to maintain my skin. But like I said, let me just put this on, keep this on for about 5-6 minutes, and then we're going to come back and you're going to see what this is going to look like when it's dry. See you in a bit. Okay, my friends, it's been 6 minutes since I've had this mask on my face. And of course, you can see it did not dry to a pulp. It is just still nice and creamy on my skin. So I do have my washcloth right here. So I'm just going to wipe this off. And I'm telling you guys, this is such a beautiful mask on your skin. When you buy this product, you will not be disappointed. So all I have to do is just wipe this off. Okay, my friends, if you can only touch my face right now, let me come close so you guys can see. My skin feels like butter. It feels soft. And by the way, guys, this smells amazing. Let me show you guys what this looks like again. I'm going to leave it in the description box for you. But again, coming close so you can see, my skin feels amazing. Your skin is so even. Your skin feels plumped and hydrated and all of that. It is the most incredible thing. And again, if you're looking for skin transformation, this mask is for you. And of course, I'm going to go in with my Sephora micellar water. This is one of the best products you can put on your skin. It really helps to dissolve all of the dirt that's stuck in your pores. So I'm just going to gently wipe my face down. So I don't see anything on the cotton pad today because I have been using this twice a day. And with everyday use, you will find that your skin is becoming clearer and clearer. And that's because this is going deep down into those pores and removing all of the stuck or dirt that's in your skin. And that feels really good. And then I'm going to go in with my eye cream. This is from Paula's Choice. Okay, so we're just going to put a little bit of this under the eyes. And I also like to put this over the eyes as well. And I'm just going to use my little finger, and we're just going to simply massage under the eyes and over the eyes as well. And then I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Breakthrough Oil. So I'm just going to just put this in certain spots all over my face where I see a little bit of hyperpigmentation. A little bit of this goes on, not a lot. As you can see, it's almost finished. And just a little dab here and there all over my face. I'm giving myself some skincare treatments. Then I'm going to go in with my faded serum, and this is from the Tropicals brand. This is from Sephora, and of course you just need a little bit of this. A little bit goes a long way. And again, you know, you put a little bit of this on the spots on your face where you think you need a little bit of treatment, not all over, just here and there, because I use this as a spot treatment. And this is my Vitamin A Renewal Cream from Derma. Love this so much. I don't have my wand here, but, oh no, I do. I'm just going to use this little wand. So I just like to put a little bit of this on the back of my hands and put this all over my face. And again, a little bit goes a long way. I'm just going to cover that back. This has become one of my favorite moisturizers. So we're just going to massage. And we are done. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of lip balm. Any lip balm will do. Okay, so here we are done. Let me come close so you guys can see my skin. Look at that. My skin feels so soft, so plump, so hydrated, moisturized. It feels soft. It doesn't feel tacky or sticky. It feels so good. This is my skin, guys. I'm telling you, I have worked really, really, really hard to get my skin in this condition. And again, if you're looking for an amazing skincare mask with skincare treatments that will benefit your skin, you need this product. It has everything in here that's going to benefit your skin, because you want to be able to use products where your skin can be treated, not just to be washed off. You know what I mean? And again, everything that I use on my face is going to be down below for you guys. So this is it. This is my Gold Friday skincare routine for you guys using this skincare mask. This is called the Divine Elixir from Skin Cosmetics. Very nice. And I'm really, really pleased with my skin. So I do hope you guys enjoyed today's video and pick up some tips from what you see today and apply to your own skincare routine. And one of the things I'm going to say is, when you start your skincare journey, be very patient with yourself. You will not see results right away, but over time, the products are going to work. And again, I mean, I know there are so many skincare products out there that does amazing things, but the one that I have chosen and the ones that I have used, I have seen great, great, great results. And guys, look at my skin. Amazing. Amazing. Incredible. So thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. Again, everything is going to be in the description box for you guys. And I shall see you in my next video. Toodles.